for the Honorable Judge Johansson.
Alright, then I hear we're here about a serious matter today. Let me look. Well, it looks like we've got some rebellion happening in the court. Who's talking? This court will come to order. Order.
All rise for Her Majesty.
Excuse you, you're out of order. Go sit down. Where is your representative? Who is this American colonies? Who are you? Where's your representative at?
Hello? My microphone doesn't work.
Come on, we're trying to walk.
Someone turn it down. Hello? Y'all hear me? Yes.
Can you tell me the matters of this case here?
So, I am representing the Americans. We're just protecting our freedom, our independence.
Yeah.
All right? Yeah. The Britons, they think everything is theirs. All right? But not America. Objection. Be quiet.
Excuse me. Only I can object. Thank you.
Okay. Anyways, I'm sorry, Your Honor. I did look it up.
There you
All
go.
right.
Right, brush your hair next time.
I'm defending America's
The curls,
freedom,
baby.
independence, and them. Okay? We don't want the Britons to take over our land. Okay? Alright, guys.
Right then, thank you. Go have a seat.
Alright,
over here.
enjoy our case.
Great Britain, I have it. Is it you? Then who's defending Great Britain today?
I am defending Great Britain. I think our freedom is taken away from America.
Freedom was taken away from America. You're right. Thank you. You're on our side.
Yeah.
See, even y'all's own lawyers mentioned it.
Excuse me, miss. Who are you representing today? You're representing Great Britain then, is it? Then what's the argument here? You might have needed a better lawyer. You going to represent yourself then?
That's fine. You gave her to us.
Alright, then we're going to do Great Britain. You are... Shh. Alright, we've got the defendants over here. It's America. Alright, I want Great Britain to come forth first though. Tell me what the problem is. We've got a witness here.
Go up there.
Go ahead, Balaki, come on.
Hey, all y'all go up there and hear the position.
All rise for Her Majesty's loyal subjects and representatives of Great Britain.
Thank you, good people of the colonies. We come not as tyrants, but as protectors.
The crown has granted you peace, protection, and prosperity. Yet now some dare to defy the king and queen themselves.
We owe Britain our safety, our trade, our very homes. Why risk all that for rebellion?
The empire stands strong. Submit to lawful rule, and to gather shall prosper.
Can we sit down?
You all may be seated.
Thank you.
Team Great Britain is ready to present our case.
Hold on.
Mr.
Yes. Okay. Whenever you're ready to call evidence into the court,
Good morning, Your Honor and members of the court. We represent Great Britain, the greatest empire in the world. Today we will show that the American colonies should remain loyal to the crown for their own protection, prosperity, and peace. The British Empire has guided and protected the colonies since they were founded. Britain provides structure, stability, and opportunity. Rebellion doesn't lead to freedom, it leads to chaos, war, and suffering.
The colonies thrive because of Britain's trade system. Through the navigational acts, our goods reach markets all over the world. Britain's merchants buy our tobacco, lumber, and cotton. If we separate, we'll lose this global trade and risk economic collapse.
Britain has fought and sacrificed to protect the colonies during the French and Indian War. British soldiers defended us from the French and Indian attacks. The empire now keeps our profits safe. In return, paying small taxes is fair. We're praying for your own safety.
British law already protects our rights, though the Magna Carta and English Bill of Rights, we are represented in Parliament as part of the empire, and our government ensures stability and justice. Rebellion would destroy the rule of law and create anarchy.
Excuse me, sir. Bailiff, I believe this man's brought a weapon into the court.
No, it's a scroll.
What is this? I need you to check this out. Check this out. What is this? All right. You're right.
You want to hold it for me? Yeah, hold it for me. No, wait. You broke it. We shared some language, religion, and traditions as the British people. Britain is our mother country, the source of our culture and faith. To break away would be to abandon our heritage and divide families' loyalty. Is not weakness, it is honor.
The taxes placed on the colonies, like the Stamp Act and the Tea Act, were small compared to what the British citizens paid at home. These taxes help fund the soldiers who protect us. It's only fair that everyone contributes. Rebellion over minor taxes is another reason.
Britain has the most powerful army and navy in the world. War will bring death, famine, and destruction to the colonies. Many colonists and loyalists understand this is opposite rebellion. Fighting the crown would be a disaster. We cannot win.
Instead of turning to violence, the colonies can petition the kings and parliaments. Peaceful reform within the empire is possible. War should be the last resort. Working together, Britain and the colonies can solve their problems without bloodshed.
Great Britain built these colonies and made them strong. Submission to British authority means continued peace, protection, and prosperity. The colony's future is brightest under the crown united, safe and powerful. The wise choice is loyalty to Britain.
Your Honor, members of the court, we have proven that Great Britain has given the colonies protection, trade, and peace. Rebellion would destroy everything we've built together.
I am proud to call myself a loyal subject of my crown.
Britain has made us strong. We stand united.
For kings and country.
I love that band.
Let it be known, loyalty brings peace, division brings ruin. Together we remain one mighty empire.
All right. We need to hear from the defendants now. Defendants, what have you got to say for your clients over here? I see they hired a Dollar General lawyer from the Yellow Pages. Ma'am, is there anything you would like to say?
Correct. Does this work? Y'all hear me? Am I allowed to come up there?
Yes, please approach the bench.
I'd just like to say,
Not up here. Hello, you're not on my status here.
anyways, I'd just like to say, what they said was not true. And my clients here will tell you exactly why. Cue the music.
All rise for the national anthem.
Even they want to be a part of Britain, wants to be a part of the colonies, I believe.
What did I say? As y'all heard, that song stands for peace, liberty, and freedom. Okay? That's what we stand for. Okay? Our clients are going to show how brutally they were treated and how they don't stand for peace. I'd like to call up Isabella and Haven, my first two clients.
No taxation without representation. The Revolutionary War was a war solely based around consent.
The United States was placed under many grievances and suffering through the world of Britain, all without the permission to do so from the United States as its previous union of colonies. Even after diplomatic measures were attempted through the Olive Branch Petition, Britain refused to make peace and further continued their training.
No cause to lament without consent.
Thank you. Y'all heard that? Peace. When they came up here, all they spoke about, we want peace, we want peace. Hey, they just said it. All right? Maya. There you go.
We had self-rule for almost 173 years before Great Britain tried to take over. We won the Revolutionary War on September 3rd, 1783.
We declared independence from England because of unreasonable taxes with no representatives.
That was great. All right, for my next client, Liam. You got this. You got this, I know.
Britain controlled colonial trade to benefit their own economy, not ours. Colonists were expected to supply raw materials and then buy back finished goods from Britain at higher prices. The British used laws and taxes to keep America dependent and profitable for the crown. Examples are Tea Act, Stamp Act, Townshend Act, and Sugar Act.
Thank you. Doesn't sound like peace to me. Next.
Hold on. I'm so confused here. So I'm just hearing a lot of acts. I haven't heard anyone tell me what these mean. What exactly do they mean, and what are you talking about? Are you coming up, young lady? All right then. We shall listen, because I'm falling asleep up here.
But if you listen, we're proving them wrong. I'd like to have Cadence up to the stand.
I do apologize for the inconvenience, but first of all, why is it not on the previous slide? Is it on the previous slides? Booth, previous slide, please. I'd like to explain the acts and furthermore explain the tyranny that was caused by Great Britain themselves. Okay? Now, ladies and gentlemen, as stated in the first slide, the Revolutionary War was a war solely based around consent. Now, stated in the second slide, we had almost 175 years peacefully, without reign, without rule, without terror. And now, perhaps by envy of our prosperity, jealousy, we have been taxed. First of all, the Tea Act started taxes without our consent. We did not consent to being under rule, and we assumed, since you so gracefully abandoned us for all those years, that we were to become an independent nation. It's not right. Now, the Stamp Act taxed many of our paper goods, such as newspapers, legal documents, etc. And the Townshend was another round. Blatant, swift, cruel, dastardly. Now, Sugar Act taxed our sugar, coffee, wine. You shaking a tea bag at me? Disrespectful.
That's how cruel they are. She's got a point.
Oh, you're switching to our side. Beautiful. Is that a threat in the court?
Bailiff, please handle this over here.
Better get him.
This is exactly what we're trying to explain, by the way, guys.
Aggression and cruelty against freedom and peace. This will not be tolerated in this court.
You're on the safe side. You're on safe.
Yeah.
Order, bailiff. Bailiff. All right, bailiff. They've agreed to behave. They're going to behave. Bailiff, just stand on this side. What is this? Are they?
What is that here?
Are they passing paraphernalia in the court?
Take it away. Take it away. Toss it into the harbor. Take it away. Now, would you please call order? Would you please call order?
Order.
Now, through these acts, we were shoved into submission. Again, without rightful consent. Especially after we were backstabbed by our forefathers' country. Surely they would understand, but we tried to make peace, again, through the Olive Branch Petition. We sent a letter to the king himself, and he refused to read it.
Outlandish.
Refused to read it, and then declared... Okay, that's a valid point, that's a valid point, that's a valid point, that's a valid point. That's a valid point, okay. Your Honor, Oh. Okay. Well then. All right. We were shoved into submission without consent, and we attempted to make peace through the Olive Branch petition, but, again, no response. And he declared rebellion and declared war on us. We tried to maintain peace. You said no. That would be all, Your Honor.
Alright, he got a wounded man over there, he's bleeding in my court. What's the story here?
I'd like to call up Zayden. This just shows the brutality and hatred in y'all's hearts.
The shot heard around the world. The British had 700 soldiers posted in our town. We had 77 protecting our town. The British shot into the crowd and shot me.
Bro. Y'all see us? We work as a team. The British took one of our soldiers out.
Outrageous. Let me ask a question. Order. He's dead. Just leave him. Let me ask a question. What was the purpose of sending 700 redcoats, regulars? What's the purpose of sending 700 regulars over to, I'm talking to you, Great Britain. What is the purpose of sending 700 regulars over to the colonies on this day in Lexington? Nope, wrong. Who's going to answer? Where's your queen? She's back there talking. She's... Wow.
Can't say I'm surprised.
These are real people. Alright. What is the purpose of the Crown sending 700 regulars to the colonies on this day in Lexington?
That is our whole point. Our whole point is for...
I thought there was a little bit about a weapons cache there. We're going to let the Americans explain here. Alright then.
We'll let the Americans explain like we always do.
Alrighty. Back at it again, I see. Now, 700 soldiers barging into homes to snatch their weapons and to force us into submission. Unacceptable. What was that, sir? What was that, sir?
They took my musket.
Objection! Horrible. Outlandish.
Objection overruled.
Excuse me.
You're not the judge.
Oh, ain't not your people. Oh. Yeah.
My people are just correcting me.
Hello, I am Parliament from Great Britain. I make the rules. Okay? Well, I don't make the rules. I help enforce them.
The Parliament does make the rules.
Oh, they do? Yes. So I was right. Take that. Anyway, the reason we came to take your guns is because you didn't pay your taxes. All you had to do was pay a couple of little coins and you would have gotten your guns. No. You? Where'd it go? I'm gonna hurt you.
It's either violent ways.
Look. Y'all didn't want to pay coins for extra tea. You would have gotten extra tea in your little baggies if you would have paid the taxes.
We don't want your black.
That is a lie! There are so many colonists who love tea and they hate you for what you did!
Baylor, please, she's getting a little wrathful in there. My mustache fell off, she's getting so antsy.
I'm not getting out here, I'm only speaking truth. Y'all don't know the truth.
No, you're not.
We help protect you. We protect you.
Alright, thank you. Sit down. I've got a question here. Is it really about paying their taxes, or is it about protecting themselves from a tyrannical government?
Indeed. We protected them for so long.
I agree with that.
I've got quite a...
Alright. We're going
follow up here to defend us here.
Is this Joe Diete, is it? All right.
Hello, people of the jury and people of the court. This tea that they were talking about taxing us, they took away our freedom of picking whatever company we want. They only wanted us to buy from the East India Company tea. Why would we buy from one company of tea when we don't even know what they do? So you know what I think about this tea? You see this tea? You see this? Y'all can have this.
Oh my God! Order, bailiff.
We didn't.
Bailiff.
That wasn't. Oh, y'all stop clapping. Y'all stop clapping.
Order in the court. Go ahead, counsel.
All right. See, we do one thing and y'all just automatically start cheering. Are we gonna ignore our fallen soldier? Look at him. Oh God. All right. I'd like to call Ty to the stand. Ty, would you explain what you had to go through?
Order! We're going to have a moment of silence for our fallen person. Ready? He looks ghastly. All right, everyone bow your heads. We're going to have a moment. All right, he's dead. We're moving on. All right, order with Ty, is it? He's got something to say. Let's go.
The Sugar Act helped America by uniting the colonies to protect against the
Put the mic a little closer to your mouth, son. I can't hear you.
The Sugar Act helped America by uniting the colonies to protest against the British taxes. That's where the saying "no taxation without representation" came from. The Sugar Act showed the colonies that they could challenge the British law. This will help them get closer to their independence.
That's all we want, is to protect our independence, okay? And to protect ourselves from people who would lead our country to dirt, to ruins. See, they're over there playing with tea. No, we're not. It's always the tea. Always the tea.
All right, let's hear the closing arguments from each counsel.
We have two more.
You've got two more witnesses.
We do. Well, they've been interrupting us so much.
All right then, hurry up.
I'd like to call Carter to the stand.
The Stamp Act. The Stamp Act was the law that was established in 1765 that imposed a direct tax on the paper documents of American colonies to help pay the French and Indian War. American colonists considered the Stamp Act unfair because of the principle no taxation without representation. The Stamp Act of 1765 was significant because it was the first direct tax imposed on the American colonies by the British Parliament.
Well said, sir. Well said. And for our final client, our final witness, I'd like to call... Never mind, there's two more. I'd like to call Connor to the stand.
This one again. Oh, all right.
The Currency Act. This act is whenever Britain took our currency that we had for hundreds of years after they had abandoned us. And then they took it and made us use their money. Why would we use their money in our colonies whenever we had our own money? That caused an economic failure.
We protected you, you gotta pay tax.
Order. You'll have your chance. You'll have your chance.
And with the French and Indian War, that was a war with you and the French. That wasn't us. That was a problem y'all had with the Spanish Armada. Why would we have sent our men?
Objection. America actually also fought in World War II.
That is when it...
Great Britain was there to help the colonies.
All right, Your Honor.
All right. Continue with correct facts this time, all right? Go and argue. Maybe you need some sleeves next time. You need some sleeves next time before you come to court and you can think better.
Your Honor.
I'm not sure if you're looking at me. Are you looking at me?
Yes, I'm looking at you. We hired you from Walmart. Wait, what? No more, Your Honor.
All right. Are you arguing with each other?
Excuse me? Excuse me? Haven't half of y'all's people migrated to our side?
Oh.
America! The land of the free! Alright, for my last client, I'd like to have Liam up to the stage.
The Massachusetts Government Act is a law that is passed down by the British Parliament that severely limited self-governance in our colonies, which was in response to the Boston Tea Party, which we threw tea into the harbor. The Boston Port Act is to close off the port of Boston to all commerce as punishment for the Boston Tea Party. Administration of the Justice Act, which British officials accused of crimes in the Massachusetts Bay Colony to be tried in another colony or in Great Britain. Series of 5 punitive laws passed by the British Parliament in 1774 to punish Massachusetts for the Boston Tea Party and reassert British authority.
This man's been through it. Look at him. He looks awful.
Terrible.
Just because he's had a thing.
And if you notice, their argument was only saying how they wanted peace, but our argument proved how they really didn't want peace in the end. They just wanted to control America and they wanted to take our land.
Yeah.
We were actually saying that we have gave y'all peace and protection this whole time.
No.
We're also saying the fact that you got one of your facts right. We came in to help you win the war, the French and Indian War. The fact that you decided to say it was our fight, and you couldn't pay the taxes that we did to help you.
Objection.
Turn it to Texas.
Take it down a little bit.
Sorry.
Closing arguments, please. Closing arguments. Where the attorneys or need the attorneys? Go sit down, old man.
I'm 53. I'd like to call y'all's Dollar Tree attorney up to the stand. Y'all see this coat? All right.
All Great Britain has done is
Order,
protected.
closing arguments. Order. Go ahead.
All Great Britain has done is protected y'all. And y'all don't want to pay y'all taxes at all.
I paid my 5 silver coins. Is that y'all's closing argument? Wow.
All right, they've got their closing argument. Thank you, counsel. Sit down. Over here.
W-O-W.
You look like Ricky Lake.
I'm actually related to him. That's why I have all this money. So.
I think it's a girl. All right, it's a lady.
All right. So.
Doesn't she look like Ricky Lake? Does anybody remember her?
We're not talking about that, okay? What we are talking about is America just wanted to protect their people. We don't know what they're trying to bring to us. They can say we're bringing peace, but how are you bringing peace to us when you've killed our soldiers? Do you see this man? Do you see him?
Talking about peace.
Do you? So peace! Girl, that! This is what peace looks like to you? And guess what? I'm going to go to the county because it made me just as bad as them.
All right, Go ahead and make a decision amongst yourselves. Hit the music in the back, the courtroom, while they deliberate.
Just play the car sound.
Alright, jury, what verdict if we reach 10? I'm shaving just for that. No shave, no milk, it's over. Hey guys, alright. By the power invested in me, the Honorable Judge Johansson. Hey guys, stop. You're making me lose my accent, and that's not okay.
That's not over.
I here do, with the power invested in me, declare America to be its own country. You are dismissed. Get out of my courtroom. Guys, do not run. This is still the sanctuary.